Welcome to North Star. Maker Distributors has a policy of maintaining inventory at 15% of the next month's forecasted sales. The cost of Maker's merchandise average 60% of the selling price. The inventory balance as of May 31st is $63,000 and the forecasted dollar sales for the last 7 months of the year are as follows. So starting June till December, the sales details are given. What is the budgeted dollar amount of Maker purchases for the month of July? We need to calculate the purchase for the month of July. So let's capture the details first. We know June, July and August. We know September, October, November, December also, but we need to calculate it for the month of July. So 1 month before July and 1 month after July we need to capture here. Alright. So how much is the sales for the month of June? 700,000. Remember, these are a sales figure and we need to calculate purchase figure. So first, these sales which are in sales value has to be converted into cost value. So question says the cost of the merchandise average 60% of the sales price. So let's convert this into cost first. So cost will be equals to 60% of the selling price. How much? So 700,000 multiplied by 60%. So we get 420,000. Similarly, we can do shortcut 0.6, 60% is 0.6 into 700,000 equals 600,000 equals and 650,000 equals. We have got the cost. Now we need to find out how much is the closing stock. How to calculate closing stock? It is mentioned that each month we will be producing 15% for the next month sales. Means in the month of June, whatever is going to be sold in the month of July, 15% of that shall be produced in the month of June only for being sold in the month of July. In other words, it is closing stock. So shortcut calculator again, 15% means 0.15 into July month sales. Remember, we will not take the sales figure, not this figure. We will take the cost figure because closing stock is valued at cost only. So 0.15 into 360,000, we get closing stock here 54,000. Similarly, August month sales 15% shall be produced in the month of July. In other words, it will be July month's closing stock. So 390,000 equals, we get 58,500. Alright, we don't have any other information given in the question. We have got closing stock of June, we have got closing stock of July. Remember, closing stock of July we know, but closing stock of June would become opening stock for the month of July. So we know both opening stock and closing stock. Sales at cost price. Alright, sales at cost. Add closing stock. Closing stock of finished goods. Here no confusion because stock of raw material is not given. So no confusion here. Opening stock. Sales is given at cost. We will take 58,000. No, 360,000. This is the cost value of the sales figure. Add closing stock 58,500. Subtract the opening stock 54,000. How much do we get? 360,000 plus 58,500 minus 54,000. We get 364,500. This is in dollars. Yes, this entire amount is in dollars. This is our production budget basically, but there is no other details. So whatever is going to be produced, same thing has to be purchased in the absence of all other information. So this would be our purchase budget, $364,500, which is option C. Thank you.